Thank you for being here this morning. Government announced some time back, working with Walesi, that we wanted to ensure that markets in Fiji had connectivity to free Wi-Fi and also have access to television. Because markets throughout Fiji are places where a lot of people come, they do the shopping, they mingle with other people, and of course we have the market vendors who spend their whole day in these market facilities. So in order to ensure that they're empowered with knowledge, empowered with information, we said that we needed to get them to be connected to Wi-Fi, as we've been connecting schools and various other remote locations with Wi-Fi access. That's why we are here today. Please make use of it. We also have the Walesi platform, the TV that's there for your entertainment. Your shoppers will come, will make it a lot more attractive. And then of course the rugby is on, people can watch that too. And the other thing, the most important thing that we have done is that when you come to the market, you can get free Wi-Fi. You can access information, you can get information regarding what's happening around the world in terms of communicating with people, in terms of making Viber phone calls or WhatsApp phone calls. The whole idea is to empower people, give people access to information, give people access to knowledge, and also be able to be connected to other people. Because you can, for example, market vendors who want to be able to talk to people, access information regarding, for example, who they want to buy vegetables from, who do they want to sell to, fish vendors, etc. So that's what we're here for. There's no need for a long speech. To the market vendors, please look after the TV sets. This has been put up here for your entertainment, for your access to information, including those people who come and shop here in the market. Please make use of the free Wi-Fi. How many TVs have you put up? We're putting up 12 TVs in the market, so every corner of the market people can have access to. Please work together with the council. Don't fight over which program you're going to watch. Sometimes maybe people want to watch different programs. And please enjoy it. Thank you. Naga.